Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's vlog, kita nyo naman, nakamotor na kami. So, ibig sabihin, may pupuntahan tayo. Ngayon ay panibagong araw, panibagong kwento, at syempre, panibagong adventure. Before that, dapat kompleto tayo. Helmet? Check. Jacket? Check. Gas? Check. Good vibes? Check na check. So, let's go! At ito na nga, ito yung pinakamasarap na gawin tuwing bumabiyahe, ang kumain ng kumain. So, naghahanap lang kami ng makakainan sa tabi ng kalsada at ito ang bumungad sa amin kasi ito pa lang ang nakabukas na nakita namin sa tingin namin. So, kumain na muna kami dyan. In short, parang kumain lang kami sa lakad namin today. At ayun na nga, bumili na din kami nitong Chicken 25 sa tabi ng kalsada. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop them below in the comment section. As always, thanks for being here and being part of this journey. Until next time, stay safe and stay inspired. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!